Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I am going to show you how you can build a block easily using Notion. It's pretty easy. You can all build it and you can deploy it on Vercel on Netlify for free. For this you need to have the Notion API key and download the Notion this package Notion SQ client package, and you are good to go. Pretty easy. You can create access to your Notion database and you can create beautiful. For example, I have added this block and connect it with my Notion application, and then we have this block. So yes, so it is very easy. You can all do it, and it's very cool and effective. Thank you everyone.